Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Put the watch on snug and positioned 1/2 to 1 finger above your wrist crease so the sensor sits on skin. Open the Heart app or swipe to Control Center and tap the heart icon. This starts an immediate reading. You do this because stable contact reduces motion artifacts and improves optical sensor accuracy. Once the app opens, stay still, keep your arm relaxed, and wait for the waveform to stabilize. This gives a true beats per minute number. If you need a resting heart rate, sit quietly and use the Heart app. Tap to begin and hold still. Optical sensors need about 10 to 30 seconds to average pulses. For exercise, start a workout session so the watch adjusts sampling frequency and reduces motion error. Make sure the watch stays snug because wrist movement and loose fit cause spikes. Once done, check the recorded measurement in the app on your watch or in Health on your iPhone for trends. Save and review your reading in the Health app to see trends and relate values to activity. That's how you spot anomalies over time. If a reading looks wrong, clean the back sensor with a lint-free cloth, refit the band snugly, and repeat the measurement. Dirt and loose fit are common culprits. If problems persist, restart the watch and check for watchOS updates, then retry. If still faulty, contact support or visit an authorized service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.